Hey guys, it's Esme and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's video is going to be another house to home video. If you guys have been following my channel, then you guys would know that Frankie and I, my husband, moved into our house about a year ago, and we both literally moved in from our parents' house into this house after we got married. So we literally started from scratch. We had no furniture, we had nothing. And along the way, we've done a couple renovations to our home, and of course, just buying cute homey things. So I figured I would share with you guys to give you guys maybe some little inspiration, or maybe you guys are just nosy like how I am and I want to know what everybody's houses look like for ideas. Regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started to our newest little home decor furnishing video. Frankie and I pulled up. We literally pulled up to find our two ginormous boxes waiting for us on our front door. I did not expect for these to get in until Friday, so it's only Tuesday, and for them to be here already is so exciting. So we're gonna do a little unboxing. I'm about to show you guys what's in here. I'm gonna assemble it and set it up because I am so freaking excited. Guys, if there's one thing I definitely need to let you know about this table is that it is heavy. It took Frankie and I to get it in the boxes, and he had to leave to work, so he couldn't help me take it out or build it. And of course, there's a giant sign on there that says two people assembly, and I did not listen to it, and trust me, this is very time sped, but I took a really long time just trying to get the tabletop part out of the box because it was so heavy. It's solid wood. So I definitely struggled, but I was too impatient to wait for Frankie till, he was out of work or able to squeeze it in. And so I was like, I'm doing it by myself. I did it, but I definitely don't recommend it. I definitely think that this moment right here, when I opened up the legs and realized how beautiful and just what a statement those legs are, I definitely knew I made the right choice buying this gorgeous console table. It's the perfect color. I love the chunky legs on it. It definitely fills in this big wall, and I can't wait to start styling it. And here is the table fully assembled and completed. How beautiful does it look? And right above it, you guys will see I pinned up some papers, and that was just for me to start getting the idea of the project that I'm doing right above our beautiful console table, and that's to do a gallery wall. So I ordered this set of 9 frames, which I thought was such a good deal. They were on sale on Wayfair, and I'll go ahead and link them down below. It was a really good deal for them, and it's 9 frames, and I wanted to do a black and white wedding picture gallery wall because, guys, can you believe it? I don't have any wedding pictures up. I don't have any wedding pictures up in my house, and that is such a shame because I love our wedding and I love how beautiful our pictures came out. So I figured that having a wedding gallery wall all in the same kind of colors, which I did black and white because I didn't want it to look like too much, would be the perfect way to display a lot of wedding pictures all at once. So I went ahead and got them all printed at Walgreens, kind of arranged them the way I feel like they'll look the best on the wall, and started putting them in place. And here's a little tip for you guys. So I actually just printed my pictures big enough so that they could go inside of the matting of the frames. That's the white square that kind of frames the picture within the frame, and I figured so that they wouldn't fall around or slide around or anything like that. After I placed the picture exactly where I wanted it to be, I went ahead and used a little bit of tape to tape it on there. So guys, I thought I had figured out kind of the spacing between all of the frames. I used these little papers that I had. They're just a tad bit smaller than this to kind of see the spacing. But in the box with this frame set came this diagram, and it actually has the little dots of like where you would put your nails in. So you would essentially tape this big thing up there and then put the nails in through. My only problem is I feel like this console table is so long that I needed them a little bit more spaced out. So I think I'm gonna take these down, tape that up, see how kind of the spacing looks, and if it's too close and too tight for this table, then maybe I'll just cut these out individually because they're already the same size as this with the marking of the screw, and tape them up to kind of figure out where to hang all the frames. So let's see if this works. Guys, look at this little bear. He's clearly inspecting that we're doing a good job. Okay guys, I have no idea where the clip of what happened after I hung up that piece of paper went, but basically what happened is I did not like the way the template looked up on our wall. This specific wall in our house, you guys, is really, really long, and the console table is really long. And the way the template had the frames of the gallery wall set up, they were way too close to each other. And if I would have gone off that, they would have looked really tiny and bunched up, and I just wouldn't have filled the space correctly. So I did the tedious task of cutting every single template out. And that was the good part, is that these templates were the exact same size of the frames, and they had the little marking exactly where you would put the screw on. So I went ahead, measured between every single frame, spaced them out perfectly, and actually put a tack on where the little screw hole was, and hung up a few frames over it just to make sure that they were good. And then Frankie came in, of course, at this level, triple checked everything, made sure we loved it, and that's how we got our perfect gallery wall. Okay guys, here is the finished look. How beautiful this is look. I feel like this was such a good idea to fill in this, like I said, really, really long wall. The spacing came out great. The pictures look beautiful. And now it's ready to get styled. Now I do have a few ideas for how I think I want to style it. I kind of feel like I want to get some sort of basket and maybe put a little throw blanket in there. I have a cute little frame that says Bless Our Nest that I feel like might look really nice on there. And then for the top, eventually we're going to get rid of the floor lamp we have by the couch. And on here I want to put either 1 or 2 lamps. But I feel like for now we still have this one, so I don't necessarily need to put the lamps on there. That's more like for when we get the new couch and get rid of that floor lamp. So I think in the meantime, I have this really pretty like blue vase over here that I feel like if I get another one, maybe in a different shape, or maybe 2, like 1 higher and 1 lower over here, would look nice. Maybe some sort of cute Ray Dunn piece if I can find any. I don't know, we'll see. We'll have fun styling this. It's definitely going to be a really fun thing to have also now for when it's like the holidays, for fall, to put pumpkins on it and stuff. But it's definitely not the holidays, so I need to figure out how to make it just look cute and styled for now, just like this one does. So let's take a trip to TJ Maxx. All right guys, now for the little haul version of this video. First of all, can I just say that I love TJ Maxx. I love home goods. I am literally that person that before everything happened, I would just walk through TJ Maxx on a random Tuesday afternoon just because I wanted to see what was there. I wanted to get inspired. And since the day that I found this console table and I knew that's gonna be the perfect console table for my living room, I just had the vision of all the things that I would find at TJ Maxx or Hobby Lobby to put on this table. And of course, everything reopened, and I was not one of those people that wanted to wait in a 20-minute line in the Las Vegas heat to get in, and what happened? I get there and I found nothing. Can you believe that, guys? Literally, there was nothing there. I walked through the aisles, all the cute little vases that I literally would always find. There was nothing there, so I literally have 4 items that I'm gonna be hauling for you guys, but they're 4 good ones. I figured I'd still share them with you guys. And let me know, what did your guys' TJ Maxx or Home Goods look like? Like, are they just as empty as mine? Or was that just me being dumb and not getting there early enough right when everything opened? I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments. But the first thing I did find was this gorgeous basket from Hobby Lobby, and it was 50% off, so it was a really good deal. And I had always envisioned that on this console table, I would put one of these big baskets with like some throw blankets just to give a really cozy, warm feeling to this area. And I figured the black matched perfectly with the black frames and a white blanket. Really big, I mean, it's a pretty massive basket. But here's the story about it, guys. So I have an SUV, and I put this all in the back of the SUV, and when I got out of the driver's car, I pressed the button, and of course it rolled out and it cracked. So of course, out of like 3 things that I find to decorate, one of them rolls out of my car. So I'm pretty sure, of course, I'm really handy in DIY, so I'm pretty sure I can just glue this back on, probably paint right here on the little seam, and it will be fine. Plus, if you face it backwards, nobody can see it, because sadly, this is also the very last big basket of this size at my Hobby Lobby, so it's not even like I could try to get a different one. So anyways, we got that. And from Hobby Lobby, I also picked up one more of these bins. These are the spring collection, the spring shop bins. These, you guys, are incredible for pantry organization. And right before, again, everything closed down, right in the January, new year, new me phase, I'm gonna organize and label everything in my house part of life. I completely organized my pantry. I got all these bins with put cute labels on them, and I needed one more. So I just picked up the one more, and I am going to be doing a pantry organization video very soon, because now that I have my last bin, it's perfect. And I mean, that's everything I found at Hobby Lobby. There was literally nothing else cute, nothing else that I figured would look cute on this table or would match or anything. So I went to TJ Maxx, I went to Hobby Lobby, I went to Marshall's, and I went to a second TJ Maxx. And literally the only things I found for this little area, or honestly for any area of our house, was this really cute, I'm sure you guys have seen them all over Pinterest boards or whatever, Mongolia home tray. It was a pretty good deal, only like $12.99. But yeah, I figured this would look really cute right in the middle with maybe a candle, a little vase with maybe some white flowers, something like that. So yeah. Also, I feel like I unintentionally made galvanizing silver kind of like my little accent everywhere. Like, I feel like it's on our bar cards, it's on the entry table, like it's in the bathroom. It's, yeah, I mean, it's cute. I like it. I'm about it. So yes, I got this cute little tray. Now I just need to find flowers and a candle or something to style on it. And of course, I did find the cutest, comfiest, softest little throw blanket to put in the basket, which is really good, because I would have been sad if the basket would have been there all alone. So what I love about it is that it has this like cute little like diamond shaped pattern. So when it's stuffed in the basket, it creates like a lot of really fun dimension. And of course, look how cute these tassels at the end are. I love, love, love the little accents at the end. So of course, I kind of am going to style it so that the corner with this is what hangs out of the basket. So it gives it a really cute, cozy effect. And this one actually, I think, was on sale. Okay, no, it wasn't. It was not, it was regular price, but I mean, it was still only $20. So yeah, guys, that is unfortunately the only things that I have purchased to style my new console table area of my house. That's okay though. I'm sure once stores get a little restock, I will find the things that I'm looking for, and if anything, it's literally gonna be fall in a blink of an eye, and I am so excited to fill this place up right here with pumpkins and little signs that say pumpkin patch, fall harvest, all the cute stuff. Like, this is gonna be such a fun holiday styling moment. I cannot wait. So yes, if you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for spending the time with me. I hope you guys found a little inspiration or just got a little entertainment for the day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below, let me know what you loved, what you think you would do, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!